Are you still posting properties with just loose photos? See how AI turns them into a video with a professional narrative. Today I'll show you the narrative slideshow option, where you go from separate photos to a video that explains the property and helps sell it better. Step 1. Upload the photos of your property. You can arrange them however you like, in any order you want. Step 2. Generate the script. The AI analyzes the images and creates a clear narration to guide the viewer through the property. Step 3. Choose the voice. You can use a professional voice or clone your own to keep your style. You can also add AI-generated music adapted to your video. Step 4. Add an optional avatar. You can include a person speaking to camera to make the video feel more personal and trustworthy. Preview the result and adjust whatever you need. In seconds, you have a video ready for social media and property portals.
Discover this stunning home designed to make the most of every space. A spacious living room with natural light and contemporary design becomes the heart of the house. It features a fully equipped fitness area, bright bedrooms made for rest, modern bathrooms, and an outdoor porch with a pool surrounded by nature. An exclusive home that combines design and comfort. Contact us for more information.
Clear, fast, and professional. That's how narrative slideshow works with VibePeak.